Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Kevin here once again, and today we are going to focus on how to configure your dispatch preferences, especially for on demand bookings. And these are the instant right now request made by passenger from the app, web, or instantly created by admin in the dispatch portal. So let's look in the situation how your dispatch handles these urgent trips. Now, to look into the settings, you go to the setup here on the main menu, and from there you can go to the dispatch, booking, dispatch, and payment settings, the sub menu, and you will see all these three options. Out of these three options, you select dispatch. Now, here's the main part. As soon as you click onto the dispatch, since this is on demand booking, right? Though you'll be able to see three options: auto dispatch, manual dispatch, direct assigns. So auto dispatch by default will be selected. So basically means for any on-demand booking, the system will automatically dispatch the job. And this goes to all the freelancer drivers, I mean the independent drivers. And this is going to be by default for any on-demand booking. And for the driver qualification criteria for any on-demand booking, this will be by default running on your system. So we have two options how the system picks the driver. One is AI ERM system, efficient route management system, and the other one is a standard. So basically on the efficient route management system, which is based on the distance, time, cost, vehicle class, and type, we create a scoring system here, and then after the uh, s- system will be system will qualify the list of drivers and divide those drivers in tiers. So this is called ERM system. Now, see, this is going to be directly set up and by default set up for any on-demand booking. Now let's talk about how the dispatching system works. Okay, so in the on-demand booking, the system, as we understood so far now, the system will do automatic dispatch, and on the basis the driver qualification will be done on the basis of distance, time, vehicle class, type, and cost efficiency. The system will track the real-time location of the driver and the pickup location. So now the system will divide the drivers into two different pool, one being the first tier, where it will be categorized for driver within the radius of less than 5 kilometers, and the other one being the radius more than 5 kilometer of radius. So now it's going to do on the sequential basis. So first of all, it's going to send the job to the driver that comes into the first tier, which is less than 5 kilometer. They will receive the job, and if any of the driver does not accept the job, then only it will go to the next driver. So this process will continue for 1 minute, which is dynamic. You can set how long you want the passenger to wait for the driver. Now, if you want to keep it 1 minute, then it will wait for driver response till 1 minute. If not, then we can make it to 2 minutes as well. These are dynamic. Now, if the system doesn't find those drivers, find the drivers within that range of 5 kilometer, uh, passenger can again request it, and again it will send to the second tier, and so on. So this is how the on-demand system works, as I mentioned, right? So you'll have the full control to manage the um, duration, how long you want the passenger to wait for the driver, 2 minutes or 1 minute, and how long you want the system to keep on searching for the driver on that radius before it goes to the second tier. So this is totally up on you, and these are all on real time. uh, the system regularly tracks the driver location and the pickup location, so this is all on real time. And uh, once the driver is not reachable, if any of the tier, passenger will get a response that they can cancel or again request the ride again. So that's it. Hope that makes you clear about how the system works. uh, you can always reach us, yeah, or visit our website for more queries. Thank you very much.